is not my duty or our duty to arrest. If there's a warrant of arrest, it's the duty of the police to arrest. And we have not been served, as our lawyer has said. We have not been served. But let me address first, before about our candidate, about this innocent lady. You know, in Juja, the Jubilee candidate is a woman. How do you say you are promoting one woman, and I'm addressing the president directly on this one? How do you say you are promoting one woman and you are harassing another? This lady has been in hiding. I had to look for her for 4 days. Ameacha watoto yake. Kwani kuna mama moja na mama mwingine? Kuna mama, is there a special woman? Is there this woman or my other woman? I want all women treated the way I would want my wife treated. And she's not a politician. Why are we dragging innocent families into politics? Simply because the husband is a candidate in Juja. It is primitive and it's backward. I have asked her to come out of hiding. She is a completely innocent woman. If they want to arrest her, in fact, we have come here, offered them to arrest her if you want to arrest her now, but not go and harass her so then she leaves her children at home. It is primitive. It is barbaric to punish a woman in this way. I would not want my wife to be harassed because of my politics. If I have got problems, let them come to me as a politician. So we can address issues of my candidate. But issues of an innocent woman who has left children with neighbors to go into hiding, is this the country we want? Coming now to the issue of my candidate. Now, there are two issues here. This candidate vied for that award in 2013 on TNA ticket, the same ticket I was elected on. He vied in 2017 for Juja Constituency. He was actually number 2, cleared by IEBC and everyone. He was number 2 to the former late MP Wakapee. Now all of a sudden, certificates. Anyway, this is a country of laws. It's a country led by the rule of law. So if they want, they have evidence, they will take it to court. Court will determine. Second thing is that we have had presidents before. We had Mudhama's wife, former wife, the current Senator, Honorable Senator Kavindu, who it was demonstrated that she is a class 7 dropout. She is now very happy in the Senate. But our candidate, our brother George Koimburi, is entitled to his full rights, including his full political rights to associate with anyone he wants to associate, to vie for Juja. And my message is very simple. On the 18th of May, in another exactly that 1 days, George Koimburi will be the member of parliament for Juja.
What if he's bad?
How can he be bad? How can he be bad by an allegation? Which, are we a banana republic? Isn't Kavindu, wasn't there allegation on Kavindu? Wasn't there allegation on Oscar Sudi? Wasn't there allegation on Saboja? It is not like that, my friend. It has to go through the formal process. And I think, Senator Kangata is a lawyer. He should educate you a bit on that one. It is whimsical, wishful thinking to say that someone can just be bad. We are a country of laws, my friend. It's not a country of where someone, this is not anybody's mother's country. Na unajua hata hiyo bunge tuko nayo watu wengi. The only genuine document they have is a driving license.